Unboxing my Swagtron Swagger 5. Go further. Reach up to 11 miles. Not bad. A little stats there. Oops, I hit my tripod. Climbs 20-degree hills. Alright, it's not waterproof. 18 miles an hour. The headlight, that's going to drain the battery. And we got the components. I'm trying to get it away from the glare. Throttle, LED, and then it says there's an easy to use app. Cruise control, stop, gear shift, wheel lock, GPS tracking. Not bad. Alright, wait for it. And there it is, the Swagger 5. And there's a bunch of other stuff. There's styrofoam balls all over the place. There's some directions. The handlebars aren't attached. The key. I found this. There's some small print on it. Something tells me you're not supposed to throw that out. Another small box on the floor. Styrofoam's everywhere. Little styrofoam balls. Pieces of styrofoam that are statically charged. As you can see, it's all over the tire. Wait. Another box. All over the tire. All over the table. Looks like we got to break out a vacuum. And then we got these two other boxes. Here's my charger. Ooh. Only will charge a Swagger. And then our other box is, ooh, mount for your phone. That is nice. Definitely a nice feature. That's an added bonus. It's not a puller, it's an unscrew. Put your phone in and tighten it down in case you hit any bumps. Adjustable. And the directions. Alright, we're not going to pull it out of this. Why not? I'm using my razor blade. I'm using my little knife key. That came off wherever it was. Alright, I'm not going to assemble because I got little styrofoam balls stuck all over me and all over everything. I want to vacuum and get off. So if you bought one, you're probably going to need a vacuum to clean up. Thank you, Google.